Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best garden kit for kids is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools you can provide for your children, transforming any backyard or balcony into a vibrant learning laboratory where little hands can explore the wonders of nature firsthand, fostering a lifelong appreciation for the environment and the satisfaction of nurturing something from seed to bloom. Number 5. Dan&Darci Paint and Plant Flower Growing Kit. Unleash your creativity by painting the planter and markers, then sow the seeds to grow beautiful flowers. It's easy to follow along with the included instructions. The design possibilities are endless. Express your artistic flair on the planter and plant markers. Let your imagination run wild. This kit comes with a tin planter, soil, seeds, paints, brushes, markers, a shovel, watering bottle, and a helpful instruction booklet. This project is both fun and educational, teaching kids about the plant life cycle and botany. It's sure to be a blast for every child. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays, offering a fun and engaging activity for kids. What we like? This kit offers a vibrant and creative way to start gardening. You can paint the planter and markers, then sow the seeds. If you're looking for a fun, educational activity that teaches kids about plant life cycles and botany, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for young artists and budding scientists. What people say? The kit comes with everything needed, and the instructions were easy for her to follow. Watching the flowers grow has been such an exciting experience for her. All 3 flowers have multiple sprouts after 1 week. I placed plastic wrap over to help create a little greenhouse effect for only 4 days, and it worked wonders. Cute, and it worked. She and my daughter have been having so much fun growing and pressing the flowers to preserve them. They've even been using the pressed flowers in a stationery kit I got, making beautiful creations. Number 4. BRYTE Light Up Unicorn Terrarium Kit. Embark on an enchanting fairy garden adventure with this magical kit. It's perfect for ages 4 to 12, fostering creativity and wonder right at home. This kit is packed with everything needed to create a vibrant, magical world. Little ones can craft a terrarium that lights up, sparking their imagination. Encourage a love for nature with this delightful kit that includes seeds. It's a fun activity combining art with plant care, making it a unique experience. Watch them build their own magical world while learning and playing. This hands-on activity reduces screen time and provides hours of entertainment. This enchanting unicorn terrarium blends fantasy with education. The light-up feature makes it a wonderful gift, offering endless imaginative play. What we like? This terrarium kit brings a touch of magic and fantasy to gardening. It includes whimsical figures and paints to create a dazzling, light-up unicorn world. If your child loves unicorns and imaginative play, this kit will spark their creativity and provide hours of enchanting fun. What people say? The kit includes everything needed to get started, with clear instructions. My child loved planting the seeds and watching them grow. It was a great learning experience. The pots are a good size for small plants and the included soil is high quality. Number 3. SpringFlower Girls Garden Building Kit. Introducing a delightful building kit designed for creative young minds. It's perfect for children aged 3 and up, offering endless possibilities for imaginative play. Crafted from upgraded, non-toxic ABS plastic, this toy ensures safety for little hands. Its smooth surface and durable design make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor adventures. This engaging kit encourages learning through play. It helps develop crucial skills like creativity, concentration, and hand-eye coordination as children build and design. With vibrant, colorful pieces, kids can create unique flower arrangements and decorate their own spaces. It provides hours of entertainment for various occasions. Looking for a special gift? This building set is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and more, offering a fun and educational experience for girls aged 3 and up. Everything you need comes in a convenient storage case, making cleanup a breeze. It's designed for easy portability and organized play. What we like? This is a fantastic building toy that allows kids to construct their own flowers and gardens. With 148 interchangeable pieces, the possibilities for creativity are endless. If you need a safe, durable, and educational STEM toy that enhances fine motor skills and imagination for younger children, this is an excellent option. What people say? The kit includes everything needed to start planting, such as seeds, soil, and pots. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for young children. The plants grew quickly and successfully, providing a rewarding experience for the kids. Number 2. Creativity for Kids Magic Bean Garden. Discover the Magic Bean Garden, a fun arts and crafts kit for kids. You can paint and decorate your own pot to grow a magical bean garden. Watch as your garden grows to reveal surprise messages. This kit is a fantastic science activity for children. The magical sword beans sprout quickly, revealing a surprise message etched on their pods. It's a fascinating botany experiment you can do at home. This plant growing kit includes everything you need, just add water. You'll get paint, a planter, a paintbrush, potting mix, and magic beans. You can even grow your mini garden twice. Looking for a creative STEAM activity? This arts and crafts kit lets kids personalize their planter with colorful paints. It's a unique way to explore nature and learn new skills. Unleash a world of wonder with this unique gift that sparks imagination. It combines the fun of gardening with arts and crafts. Cultivate green thumbs while learning new skills on a magical journey. What we like? This kit offers a unique twist on gardening by growing beans that reveal secret messages. It's a fun and engaging way to introduce kids to science and botany. If you're looking for a surprise element and a quick, rewarding growing experience that combines art and science, this is the perfect choice for curious minds. What people say. Seeing the words and the symbols on the bean was so fascinating to him and me. It comes with everything you need to paint the planter and grow these magical little stalks. My daughter absolutely loved growing this plant, and how much she got to make it her own. I'm amazed at how they're able to have the words actually on the plant. So cool. Number 1. National Geographic Kids Gardening Kit. Unleash your inner gardener with this complete set. It's a fun way to decorate pots and plant your own seeds, making it easy to grow a beautiful flower and herb garden. Get creative with these durable pots, perfect for decorating. Use the included paints and stickers to personalize your garden and make it truly unique. This kit has everything you need to begin your gardening adventure. It includes pots, seeds, tools, paints, brushes, and a helpful learning guide. Discover the fascinating science behind your garden. The illustrated guide provides easy instructions and fun facts as you watch your plants grow and track their progress. Enjoy an award-winning product designed to spark education, imagination, and creativity. We're here to ensure you have a stellar experience with your new gardening kit. What we like? This gardening set provides a complete experience for kids to grow their own flowers and herbs. The durable stainless steel pots are perfect for decorating with paints and stickers. If you want a comprehensive kit that includes everything needed for planting and learning, with the added benefit of an award-winning brand, this is an excellent selection for hands-on exploration. What people say. It was easy, clean, and we did see success. It's a perfect introduction. It's small yet functional. Plants were already sprouting in less than 48 hours. Comes with everything you need right out the box. I like that the paints provided were in squeezable tubes. Easier to deal with and less mess. The aluminum pots are not fully sealed at the bottom, and this might be by design as water can slowly escape and not cause saturation. It was astounding how the little dry pucks they provided expanded into a lot of soil. The 3D stickers were great too, and the kids had fun labeling the plants using the 3 little wooden signs provided. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.